NFSU में MBA के लिए कैसे prepare करें? So I have been receiving so many MBA queries from so long that I'm actually amazed to see the amount of MBA registrations this year, which means that you have to put in your best because the competition is not going to be easy. And yes, we have a new setup because I'm at my hometown for the next 3 months for our summer vacation. Firstly, for all those who don't know me, hi, I'm Niharika, a second year BBMBA student at the National Forensic Sciences University, pursuing the integrated program in management from the beautiful main campus at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Now, if you are not really aware of how the MBA course is at NFSU, the specializations, the subjects taught, the internship opportunities, or the testimonials, make sure to check out this detailed video about MBA at NFSU that I have already made. Now, as you all must be knowing that NFSU has officially 40 seats for each specialization, out of which 20 are filled through the CAT exam and 20 are filled through the NFAT, which is the National Forensics Aptitude Test. Also, I'll be mentioning a lot of PDFs or links in this video, right? So for your benefit, I have compiled all of these PDFs, all of these links neatly in a Google Drive that you can find down in the description. So make sure to go and check it out. Now, the NFAT exam is not like the CAT exam where you're tested on the basis of your mathematical reasoning, logical ability, or English verbal skills. NFAT is much more diverse. So let us understand the paper pattern first. The exam is of 100 marks with a timer of 90 minutes and a marking scheme of +1 minus 0.25. Coming down to the subjects, there is a 60-40 ratio wherein 60% of your syllabus comprises of the exact same syllabus that BBMBA aspirants have, mostly about your aptitude, communication, logical reasoning, data interpretation, and just basic knowledge and aptitude stuff. Whereas the rest of the 40% syllabus is from your core management graduation topics. If you've done a course like BBA, BCom, or BMS in your graduation with subjects like these, then it's going to be much easy for you. You just have to brush up your concepts. And if you have not, then please padhai karna shuru kar do because it's not going to be easy. Starting with how to cover the major 60% of the syllabus. So for this, I have already made a detailed video which was named as NFSU NFAT 2025 Detailed Prep Strategy. I would really urge you to watch that video because it covers everything in detail, the resources, the links in the description as well. In this video, let us specifically focus on the 40% of the syllabus. And yes, in addition to the previous video, I talked to a senior of mine in MBA. She told me that for current affairs, you also should focus on these topics, which are recent business news, economy, government schemes, budgets, RBI updates, etc. And well, for quantitative aptitude, you can refer to any R.S. Agarwal or any other books that you might have used for your CAT preparation. Starting with how can you cover the fundamental aspects of management. There are broadly 5 core topics that you need to focus on, which covers pretty much everything. Plus, a bonus tip from my side, since there's a lot of things that you need to learn and understand, and the best way to study them would be download the PDFs, upload them to ChatGPT, tell it to summarize, and to generate some MCQs related to your topic. Also, another disclaimer that these topics are very generic. This detailed syllabus is from last year, and since abhi tak kuch bhi detailed syllabus diya nahi hai, तो please do not complain agar thoda idhar-udhar se aa jaye. This is just for your reference. Number 1, principles of management. So these are very basic stuff like principle, objectives, importance, management as a science, art. If you have had commerce in your 11th, 12th, you would have definitely studied all of these. So for your reference, I've uploaded 2 PDFs in the same Google Drive link. Feel free to use that or any other similar relevant material. Number 2, financial management and accounting. So this is mostly about your understanding of capital structure theories, financial statements, financial ratios, and analysis of financial statements and all of that, and basic accounting principles that you would have studied. And one personal tip from my side is that since finance and accounting involve a lot of calculations and all of that sometimes, please in the last few days, if you're not very good at it, do not try to wrap your head around it. You're going to get even more confused. So try karo ki basic formula, basic understanding pe hi raho aap. Number 3, business communication and marketing management. So business communication is again the barriers, the process, verbal, non-verbal communication, heuristics and all of that. And marketing management would be the basic BCom, BBA stuff, segmentation, positioning, targeting, Porter's analysis. You can again go through the PDF that I've uploaded, or you can refer to Kotler and Keller's marketing book, very famous in the whole world of marketing. You can definitely try that out. And yeah, just ask ChatGPT to summarize everything. Number 4, human resource management and strategic management. So this this again has a broader scope of topics like pestle analysis, SWOT analysis, BCG matrix, McKinsey's 7S framework and all of that. So the best way would be to individually put in each of these topics into ChatGPT or Google or YouTube and ask it to summarize or just try to understand your concept and make some notes definitely. And finally, number 5, which is business statistics. So again, I do not think there's going to be much complex questions and all of that. It's mostly going to be a basic understanding of statistics, measures of dispersion, correlation, regression analysis and all of that. And yeah, you can just practice some basic questions and formulae for mean, mode, median, correlation, and that is pretty much it. And yeah, if you're not very good at numbers, then do not try to force yourself into it in the last few days. And finally, here's a recap of all the individual topics that you need to focus on. So yeah, that is it from my side. I hope I cleared a lot of your common queries. And yes, I understand MBA का syllabus थोड़ा vast है, बहुत hectic है. But trust me, I hope it's going to be worth it for you. And yeah, if you have any more doubts, please do let me know in the comments. I'll definitely try to get back to you. And let me know in the comments which course you want me to come up with a detailed prep strategy next time. Also, you can always connect to me on my Instagram ID @Niharika or my LinkedIn ID. And I'll also be sharing you the link to our WhatsApp group where we chat, discuss doubts, and have a lot of fun. And just in case you're not able to reach out to me on Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other platform, you can just drop me a mail at koleniharika3@gmail.com. And please do subscribe to this YouTube channel and like, comment कर दो जो भी मन करे. Thank you so much for watching. Campus पे मिलते हैं. Good luck and bye-bye.